There you go, my friends, this is going to be the most lavish, most HD detailed Christmas market video on the internet. 4K, 50 frames per second, minimal editing. The only editing I'll do is when I have to pay to go on one of these things because there'll be a delay when I capture as much energy and much play as possible. So, hold on, just to turn the macarine down a little bit. There we go, I've got people recording, I've got camera envy. Where's the muff? Do you have a muff? What size is your muff, mate? Yeah, there we go, my friend. So what's up here? Wow, what's this? Can I go up? Of course I can. There's stairs here. I can... Wow, look at this. So, my friends, onwards and upwards. Are you watching, Eva? You like that saying, onwards and upwards? There you go, look at this. I'm a trapeze artist. I could go all the way to the top and slide all the way down. Look at all the leaves down there. Oh, sorry, my friend. Oh, it's quite steep. Oh my God, it's steep. The Faster Master fell on his bottom. Thank you so much. Oh, it's a bit steep on the way down there. Thank you. There you go, there's the Christmas tree there. You get a big Ferris wheel. There's a stage, the Faster Master stage, we call that. Faster Master TV, let's get it projected on there. Let's go and see the baby Jesus. And we'll move onwards. One of these rides I'll be on at the end. Which one? All of them? You tell me. So, you have the classic scene here. And the bush camera there, my friend, sorry, there we go. Christmas trees laid to the side. The grass that people were sitting on in the summer, sunbathing, is now mud. Let's head this way first and see what we have. This is where you pay to get your tickets. I hope they do contactless to do. I can see we have beautiful little pizzas here, M&M cookies, looks amazing. Thank you so much, that smells amazing. Thank you so much, my friend. All the very, it's nice, isn't it? Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. You get some unhappy faces, a beautiful tablet, beautiful chocolate. Hiya, how you doing, my friend? Look at this, we've got Santa here, he's holding a teddy. Is this a little gift, I'm assuming? So I'm going to keep talking random to get rid of the forbidden melodies. Shall we go on this thing? Will that be a good view? There's a little doggy, fantastic. There's a unicorn there, very rare, you might want to collect those. We'll go through here, through the unicorn's leg, try and keep away from the music here. It's weird to see the city like this, because see, look, there's the big monuments that you get randomly, but now we've got the red carpet out for Faster Master TV. You've got crepes, you've got cheese, dirty fries and burgers here. Try to move as quickly as possible. Where are you going there for a pint? If you want your ice cold beer and a nice cold night, I prefer a bit of heating. I could go on that, but I'm not going it. You've got your filthy fries here. And I'm going to keep moving because I don't want to edit this. And if I get a copyright thing, then I'll have to chop it, and I don't want to have to chop it, my friends. So you've got this big thing up here that spins you around. You've got that thing there that spins you around, that spins you around. That thing there drops you down. Everybody likes getting spun around and dropped down, don't they? Plenty of sweeties here and cables. There we go, I'm trying to Star Wars music here. I'll get, well, George Lucas will come after me. We're not having that. George, back off, mate. Back off. Back off, mate. You've got your classic baked potatoes and battered deep fried pigs and blankets. Classic baked potatoes there. I said it twice, it's so good. Look at that. Wow. All fun for the whole family. Salt and chilli chicken station there. You get your Bailey's hot chocolate. I could do with a wee Bailey's or a mulled wine, definitely. But I'm off it just now, only in special rare occasions will the Faster Master be dabbling. And when we go to a cocktail bar, actually I should have went there, is that still opened? Anyway, I'm thinking out loud, my friends. Everybody's staring up, look. Wow, see that? Look at this. It's been a while yet before it drops. We'll try and capture it in real time. Right up the top there, look at that. There we go, watching. Perfect timing. Are you ready, my friends? Onwards and downwards. Yeah! Copyright infringement. Move onwards, my friends. Oh yes, hold on. Slippy surfaces. Man, 2x4. There's Hacksaw Jim Duggan of Glasgow there. Moving on up, you'll get a little market. How you doing, my friends? I'm hyper. Try to cut through. I'm like a snake here. I'm like a snake winding through there. You got beautiful jewellery. Beautiful jewellery. There's a beautiful dog. I seen you earlier. You get a bit, mate. You're faster than me. Beautiful little trinkets. These look like the Necronomicon out of Army of Darkness. That guy is a Louis Theroux look-alike there. Nice little bowls. And this place, which smells like Christmas, it looks like Christmas, and it feels like Christmas, my friends. So, are we going to go on that? Are we going to go on that? Are we going to go on that? We're going to go on all of them at some point over this Christmas period. Even though I hate mechanical devices, I'd rather climb a mountain than go on a mechanical device. Oh, look at this. I hope that's chocolate. Is that chocolate? Yeah. Hiya, how you doing? Wow. I know you're thinking, you're an S-bag, you should be going on one of those things or that thing over there. I will go on these, but they won't let me on with this camera. So we're going to have to bring the GoPro chest mount and magnetically stick it to my jacked chest, and then we'll go on one of those. But for now, we'll go on this nighttime one and we'll capture the photons up there. What will it look like up there? There you go, my friends. So the giant wheel is £7.50 to go on. Don't know how long we'll go on it, but we'll check it out and find it. They like to see the moment of entry. Oh, sorry there, my friends, there we go. Thank you so much, my friend, all the very best.
You need to give me a YouTube channel.
I will do, my friend. Onwards. Right, so sit this side, yeah?
Yeah,
there we go. Right, there we go, my friends. The Faster Master has a weakness, and it's heights. I don't like heights. Now, I do climb mountains, but my feet are in control of the trajectory of the heights, onwards and upwards or downwards. But on a big mechanical device like this, my friends, I am not in control of the height. I'm not even in control of my life. So I'm a little bit concerned about the trajectory of my body. Newtonian's law is starting to come into my mind. The Star Wars music is playing. Imagine that, the end of my life is also a copyright claim. Wow. So look at that, my friends. That's what you're here for. Look at the view of Glasgow city centre, a Tuesday night. You come in here after having a few wines in the counting house, or a Sanji or Sangini or whatever it's called over there. Or you could go to Greg's and get a cappuccino and come up here. You can go on the big spinny thing, you can go on the big droppy thing, you can go on the big wheel that I'm on, which is fantastic. I've been on and round like I'm in a washing machine. See if you come here with your girlfriend or your boyfriend, see if it was snowing, you've had a few wines in you. This is brilliant. £7.50. Come up here, I've been on this, it's spun round like 3 times already. I know I'm like a pole dancer. Yeah! Faster Master, OnlyFans! You know, this whole day for us, this whole day out for us, my friends, was created by yourselves, because I would be just sitting in the house, tidying up, doing my normal things as a human being, but instead, because I have all you beautiful people inspiring me and telling me to move on, I'm on this big ride that I've never been on before in my life, and I'm doing it on my own. So I don't need like a partner or a friend to say, come on, let's do this, because I have all yourselves to say, go out and see the city, capture some energy for us. We'll see you in the comments, we'll see you in the live streams. Thanks for showing us, and I really appreciate you, that's why I'm here, and yous help me, it really does. Whoa, it moved a wee bit there, but let me show you, there you go, my friends. They're climbing on up, and we are moving on down, like M people. So there you go, my friends, we've went up on the big wheel. Next time we'll go up on the big thing that drops us really fast, and then we'll go on the big thing that spins us really fast. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I will catch you on the next one when we go on one of the rides that really makes the Faster Master his pants.